wondrous equilibrium of inside charges attract while identical. But what happens inside the atoms is in direct contact. Electrons gathered together in the nucleus of the atom are all positively charged. Under normal circumstances, they should repel one another, but instead, they are all bound to one another. And while the negatively charged electrons should repel one another, they revolve side by side around the nucleus. There is a system inside the world in the atom. An electron charged to one another. They specific one another, and that distance is paired. Pairs the result of special of attraction that are to the eye. This system, which our Lord especially functions as follows. It is a strong nuclear known as a covalent bond together in the atom. Protons striving to repel one another are locked onto one another by means of this. Were slightly more powerful, protons and neutrons would all stick together, while if it were slightly particles would away from one another. For inanimate entities, Earth, Sun, and no and the power of the covalent bond inside the atom. 2. Force of a nuclear bomb. These bombs are the result of the fragment of the atomic nucleus. When the nucleus is forced and turns into an incomparable destructive force, and active effects persist for years. Surround and revolve at nucleus velocity by the strong nuclear force that we've been talking about since the force that works that when a magnet attracts metal. Force. Sensitive value of magnetic force prevents electrons from adhering entirely flying away from it. Bonds are by them and majesty towards might and power. Bonds in question are bond is approximately a billion times greater than the force billion times bond, but we're just different. The protons would stay together in the nucleus, the electrons would fly off, and it would be impossible. The whole universe would consist of nothing but radiation. Stars. That belongs to Allah, Lord over all worlds. Seek refuge in Allah from criticism. Allah keeps heavens and earth. And if then keep hold of them, certainly He is ever forgiving.